Hey everybody, this is Tina. Hope this is working okay. I just want to go through the new holiday catalog paper with you guys. As always, I'm offering my paper share, which I do every time a catalog comes out. And what a paper share is it's just a simple package of samples of all of the paper. So what you get is a 6x6 package of paper from each of the designer papers. You get a quarter pack of the designer paper. So what I want to do is I want to go through all of this, and then my share has already started filling up. I already have several customers that are on the list to get shares from me, and I do a total of 4 shares. Hey, from Australia. Hey, Donna from Australia. I do a total of 4 shares during the smaller catalogs because that's all I have time to be able to do. So if you want to get a share, I need you to so I can't, Iona, I can't take a check. I have to have it done through PayPal. So I'll catch you on our team page. Hey, Chris. So I'm sorry, I was just checking comments and my lights. I know there's a little bit of a glare, you guys. I'm going to take the paper out and we're going to look at it up close and personal. We're going to get up close and personal. So my share is $30 and that includes shipping to you. If you're on my team, it's a different price because I offer a team share for a different price. But as a customer, it is $30. Hey mom, it is $30 and you're going to get 7 packs of designer paper. It's a quarter pack of each set of designer paper. And then you also get a little gift from me. I always do a little gift from, you know, something, a little embellishment or something. So let's start with the fall and the Halloween paper. There are 7 brand new papers in the holiday catalog. What you're going to do is if you would like a paper share, all you have to do is email me at Katina Martinez, all one word at live.com. If maybe my mom or Chris can pop my email address in the comments, that would be awesome. Email me at Katina Martinez at live.com. Subject line, holiday paper share. And once you do that, you will be on the list. And then on September 1st, I will send you an invoice through PayPal. And you simply pay that invoice. And then I ship out the middle of September. I have to get the paper from Stampin' Up. I have to cut it and prep it. All of the paper is in a clear 6x6 bag. It's closed, so none of your paper will fall anywhere when you get it out of your package. There is a label on it that tells you the name of the paper, the page it is on the catalog, and what colors coordinate with the paper. And then it also has the item number and the price, so it makes it really easy for you to order your paper if you need more of it. Thank you, Chris, for putting that in there. So here I have Toil and Trouble designer paper. And so in your package, you're going to get 2 pieces of the same designer paper, but it's double-sided. So you'll get 2 different designs. So that's what you're looking at when you see this. This is the Toil and Trouble. It is our Halloween set. And I love the Halloween stuff this year. It's really cute. There's these pumpkins. My mom sometimes helps me with paper shares with the packaging of them because they can get to be quite a lot. So I do always appreciate the help when my mom is here. And then Chris helps me too. You guys know that Chris is a huge help to me and my business. So this is the Toil and Trouble. And it's really pretty. It's a standard designer paper, meaning there's no foil on it. It's not thick. There's no glitter on it. And then this is the Frosted Floral. I just played a game with my team where I was trying to see if I knew all the names of the paper. I did pretty good, if I do say so myself. This is the Frosted Floral, and the catalog does not do this paper justice. And that's why I do these paper shares for you guys, because this paper right here, it literally looks like it's frosted. It is gorgeous. It has this like pearlescent finish to it, and it's gorgeous, and you would never know that from looking in the catalog. This piece is one of my favorites. I love this piece right here. This is pretty. So here is Frosted Floral. This piece I'm not crazy about, you guys, but the great thing is that I do love this side. So that's what nice is when you get both pieces, when you get two pieces, you can choose which one you want to use. So I love this. This is Frosted Floral. This is the only one I didn't know when I was doing this with my team. This one is called Country Lane, which makes me think of that country song, Country Road by John Denver. I only know that song because my husband and I are obsessed with the Kingsmen, the movies. We watch them like every single day. And John Denver, that song is in one of them. So this is Country Lane, and there's lots of really gorgeous yellow in here. So, and the purple is really pretty. This is probably my favorite piece. This piece right here, there's yellow, and then there's some pumpkins here. This piece right here coordinates with one of our new embossing folders, which is really pretty. This, I hate this piece. I hate it. I know I shouldn't say hate, but I hate it. But again, the great thing is the other side is this polka dot, this purple polka dot, which I love. So I'll be using lots of this purple polka dot. Then there's this one right here. Again, you can see lots of the yellow. And then these two sheets. So this is Country Lane. Perfect for fall projects. Okay, so next we're going to do the Christmas ones. So I'm going to do my very favorite Christmas set. Well, it's not my favorite, but it's my favorite as far as the way the paper is. So this paper is flocked, and I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, kind of. Like, see right there? And the little snowballs from that the Santa is doing. So it's flocked. So I said to my team just a few minutes ago that this was flocking awesome. And I got a kick out of myself. So, and then I said I better watch my mouth. Like, I better not slip. So this is, the snowflakes are flocked. The snowballs, they're so cute. It's just so cute. I thought this was embossed, you guys. Like, when I first pulled this paper out, I thought it was like embossed, and I turned it over because I was expecting there to be like an embossed, like, what's it called? Design on the back too, but it's actually not. It's flocking, which is so cute. So there's these two, which I love, the snowmen. Then there's this. I love the red polka dots. This is very traditional. You can see red and green, which you guys know I love the red and the green. This whole holiday catalog is really very traditional. You're going to find a lot of very traditional stamps and papers and projects, and I just love that. I don't like it when we get a little crazy and we start doing pinks and purples for Christmas. I start to freak out a little bit, and I start to think this isn't going to work for me. So I love like the traditional Santa and the elves and the presents, candy canes. It's amazing. This new catalog is amazing. So this piece right here, all of this is flocked. All of the red, or all of the red and the white. So this whole sheet is flocked. It feels like velvet. Then we have this with the candy canes. This is called Santa's Workshop. And then we have these two pieces. I love the holly. The holly reminds me of my grandma because she loved holly. That was like something she really loved at Christmas. And she had these, it's almost like a wax. It was like a wax plastic, like holly decoration that we used to put up every year. And so I always think of my grandma when I think of holly. So, okay, so this was Santa's Workshop, and it was flocked. It is flocked. You will totally want this paper. Okay, so this one is called All is Bright. And this paper is fun because you have really photographic pieces. So this is like the ornaments. This is one of my favorite pieces. But when you flip that over, you just have a very easy pattern. And so what's nice is I think these patterns here are really great for like 3D objects. I really want to make a Christmas bag, like a 3D Christmas bag out of this paper. But these sides, this one, and then like this one, these are great for cards. There's the stockings and then the stars. And you can see, again, very traditional colors. Greens, reds, tans. I love it. This one, I really like this one as well. And then the polka dots, you can't go wrong with polka dots at Christmas. So this is All Is Bright. Okay, and then this one is... I forgot it. I just said this to my team. Joyous Noel, I think is this one. This one is foiled. Can you guys see that? The light catching that foil? It's gorgeous. It's so fun. This is like copper foiling. So then here's the other side. And then look at this. I love it. Then we have like the snowflakes and the deer. Like the deers, so pretty. Then we have this is, I believe the color that this coordinates with is our brand new Mary Merlot, which I guess just because Mary is in it, I feel like it has to be for Christmas, like Mary Merlot. Or I feel like you need to have a glass of wine with that color, Mary Merlot. I can get merry with some Merlot. Okay, let's move on, right? Okay, so here's that foil, that foiling, that copper foiling. And then here is another set, and you can see it's really gorgeous. This looks more gold to me. Like this foiling looks gold to me. And then this is probably my favorite. I just think that's gorgeous. Okay, so then okay, I just said like all these were my favorite, right? But really, my all-time favorite from this catalog is the Festive Farmhouse. And you guys are totally going to understand why when you start seeing this paper. So it has all this really gorgeous red and green. And then it has this plaid look, which I just love anything that is country like that, right? I live in you know, the country-ish. We're certainly not in the city, and I love it. And so these, the wood grain and the plaid, I just cannot get enough of this paper. And this right here is so gorgeous, the red plaid. I mean, don't you just want a shirt? Like a long sleeve flannel shirt, and it's raining and it's cold and you're in your flannel shirt drinking some Mary Merlot and crafting. I mean, what could be better than that? Okay, so then there's this one, which, I mean, how cute is this paper? So the only thing that I'm feeling like is weird, I don't know, you guys tell me. This has like a very vanilla background. Hey, Bobby. This has like a very vanilla background. It's not like a crisp white background, and I'm wishing it was white. I'm feeling like maybe the rest, oh, I guess the rest of this is kind of very vanilla. Okay, I'm good. Never mind. I love this. This is probably my top favorite piece. I mean, this is going to look beautiful. Like I can already see cards I'm going to make with this one. And then there's these two. So we have the stripes and then the stars. I feel like we have lots of star patterns this Christmas too, which I believe you can never have too many stars or too many hearts. I think that works. So here is the paper share. You're going to get 7 sets of new paper. There's 7 new designer sets of paper in the upcoming holiday catalog. It's $30, and that includes shipping to you. So that includes priority shipping. So you get it within 2 to 3 days of me sending it out. So the way it works is you can comment below, or you can send me an email and let me know that you would like it. On September 1st, I will invoice everybody through PayPal. You pay right away. On September 5th, I will be placing my order. It usually gets to me within 4 to 5 days. I cut it all up and package it up. Each package comes sealed so your paper doesn't fall all over the place when you take it out of the package. It has a label that has the page number of the paper in the catalog, so it'll tell you what page it's on, an item number, a price, and then all the colors that coordinate with your paper. So I make it super easy for you guys to know what you're using and when. And then I always include something, a little gift, something or another. It'll probably be an embellishment from the holiday catalog. So just let me know if you would like a paper share. They are filling up fast. This right here is Chris's share. She's on my team and she helps out, and so she gets a little perk of getting her paper share early. So I used hers as an example here. And then I thank you guys so much. You guys purchasing paper shares from me, it helps my business. You're supporting my business when you're doing that, and I appreciate that beyond words. We are getting ready to head into the very last month of the Stampin' Up! Year, and I'm always a little bit emotional when our Stampin' Up! Year ends and all the final numbers come in and everybody sees, you know, how they're doing, and I'm eternally grateful to you guys for being here, just watching my videos, being on my Facebook page, watching things over on YouTube, visiting my website. All of that means so much to me. So thank you guys so much. If you're interested in a paper share, let me know, and I will catch you guys later this week. I have not had anything up on my website this week yet. I will. My kids are headed back to school tomorrow, so we're in the we're deep in trying to get back to school and get back on a routine and a schedule. So I will have stuff up for you guys starting tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will chat with you guys later.